good care of him, okay?
Okay, here's the baby rattle. Here's the baby rattle. Hi guys! Ngayon, magmumukbang tayo ng pagkain. Kaya lang, mauubos na yung akin. Kasi...
Gusto mo pa?
Oo.
Opo. Busin mo muna tapos dadagdagan natin.
Ayun, guys.
I'm gonna read a story.
What are you doing? You're beating him.
What do you mean I'm beating him?
You're beating baby Oren with a ball pen.
I was looking at something else. I didn't focus on the video. Okay, I'm sorry.
Sinatya din na nakalangit ko na.
Where's the baby rattle? Hey, take good care of him. You're bending his antennas. Kaya, dito to nagtatapos. Kami ang mga Sprunky Fans Vlog. Kaya, mahilig kami sa Sprunky. Kaya, get ready ka na sa mga ibang places na aking i-vlog sa Sprunky ngayon. So, bye guys! Oh, nag-joke lang ako. Kasi, para gusto kong magkaroon ng maraming gustong video na to kasi yung mga maraming views lang ay Drawing to the Sprunky, Oren, phase 1 to 6, at every Sprunky phase 4, every Sprunky phase 3, part 1. Tapos, gameplay of Guess the Map. Yun lang naman ang aking mga maraming views. Kaya, nagpe-face reveal na ako ngayon para makita ko. Kaya, ayan guys, nagpe-face reveal na ako. Kaya make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And destroy the subscribe button using your baby rattle. Kaya guys, hey, baby rattle. Use that for his foot. At ngayon, nakita niyo na ba yung face reveal ko? Sabihin nyo, oo, hindi. Alright guys, nakita nyo na siguro, kaya magbukbang na tayo kasama ang pamilya ni Matcha.
Asan baso mo?
Ay, ng BFF ko pala. Guys, meron na tayong number 1 combo. Spaghetti at water. Sarap spaghetti. Ngayon, hey, are you treating him good care or not?
Are you taking him with you? I'm not even sorry. And to wash him.
Hey, wash him and get him to sleep in the bed. Because I think he's very tired already. But if he cries, but when he cries, get the guitar and play a lullaby. Okay?
Yes.
Oh guys, kanina dito malamig na.
Kaya mas dito ninyo, ang dami niyang ano.
Okay guys, ayan.
Oh, mag-yakult
I
kayo.
said they were sweet. Can I go to the camera now? Okay.
Yakult.
Hey, what are you doing to my head?
That's good.
You're making my head symbols.
I'm not. I was just sick of that.
Because you're squishing me like this, look like an hydraulic press.
Yakult ka na. Oo.
Mamaya.
Basta pa kung kumain. Oh, Macho. Hindi ka pa nag-yakult kanina, ha? Sino yung nag-yakult?
Si Pizza Margarita.
Mamaya mo na ito inumin. Sige pa. Kasi mo na.
Kaya guys.
I'm good. Wait, this is what this meme where you're behind your friend and then you do this. And then you say, I'm gonna turn you into symbol. And then you squish their head like this. Yeah, let's do that.
That's what you can say in the emoji.
Yeah, like this. I'm gonna look at this. I'm gonna turn it to a symbol.
You're pushing me like this, bruh.
I think we should do that one day where we get our friend and then we like do this and then we say, I'm gonna squish you to a symbol.
But what friend? Mamaya. Inumin mo muna. Bigyan mo ko bago.
How about in Maragol Amir? Amir is very dramatic, so let's see his romanticness.
Yeah. And he cries for no reason.
Yeah, I know. His
And
mom.
Tamara, when I close the door in my room in Maragol, he actually hook the door and just cry already.
How about we make a face detect so anyone specific can only go inside the room.
You know what, Amara, when I close the door in the house in Maragol, he started to cry. That's so dramatic. Just a room. Not jail.
Not jail. It's like you're in a jail, and then you're.
They're so romantic.
And
They
then
don't know what they're seeing.
Did you know every time? That's how this, but in real life, I don't see a man in the room do this, but.
Kaya guys, busog na ako kaya.
Goodbye.
Hindi ko lang dito. Busog na ako eh. Guys, inom na ako ng...
In our tummy, mommy.
Yeah, inatay ni Manggi.
Kunti na lang, hindi mo pa inubos.
Can I borrow your tablet? So,
And he eats everything.
can you wait.
And he eats everything.
Can I be in the chair? I want to vlog. I want to see how it feels like to vlog. So can you get out?
Okay guys, tapos ng spaghetti mukbang. So, bye guys.